Here we are in the session. So we have Elma, Manan and Divya. I hope you can hear me. If there is any issue, you can put in the chat box. I am now going to tell you what assignment you have to do. Okay. So I have shared two links over here. The first link will take you to the Google Slides. I have made the presentation. On the first slide, you will see the instructions very clearly. Just follow the instructions. What you have to do, you have to make a slide which will describe a type of speciation. Okay, so we have discussed four types of speciation, that is sympatric, allopatric, peripatric and parapatric. So each one of you will be doing one type of speciation. I guess I have also mentioned Varsha's name, but Varsha is not here, so instead of Varsha, Divya can do that. Okay, so I will just take you to that particular presentation. So I hope you can see my screen now. So while it is getting loaded, I will just tell you there is one more link, okay, that I have shared here, which takes you to the pages of Encyclopedia by National Geography. You have to refer to these pages and then you have to do the assignment on the Google Slides. So now this has opened. You would have also received a mail. You can check that or you can just click on this particular link. But see to it that you have logged in with your Google account, that is your somaya.edu account, okay? Because I have given you access for that particular email. So this is the first slide. If you can see, instructions are given here. Okay, so instructions are there that learner will refer to the resource provided. So resource provided is basically the link of National Geography Encyclopedia, and you have to create a model for type of speciation. So how you will create a model? Of course, you have to make it on a slide. So you can use pictures, you can use symbols, and you have to describe that particular type of speciation on only one slide. Okay, with the help of examples you can explain speciation. You can explain with the help of flow chart or a schematic representation, and you have to create the model. Now which type of speciation you have to do? If you can just click on the next slide, I have also mentioned the name. So Manan will be working on sympatric, Elma will be working on parapatric, and so on. You can check who has got what task. What till when you have to complete? You have to complete before tomorrow 5 p.m. Okay, so I don't think it is very difficult task. You can, if you sit with dedication, you can finish it within maybe 40 to 45 minutes. So I hope this is clear to you. So I will stop sharing now. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Yes, Elma, I hope now it is clear. Okay, I am waiting for Divya's query. Okay, so Divya is asking what is my topic. So Divya, as your name is not there, I have put Varsha and Nabila's name. Okay, but those two are absent for this session. You can choose anyone. Okay, you can just put your name instead of Varsha or Nabila. That would do. So I hope this clears your doubt. And you are asking me whether you have to make concept map or flow chart. It is up to you. Okay, if you want to make concept map, you can do that. If you want to make flow chart, if you want to make a video, okay, that also can be done. So I hope I have answered Elma and Divya both. Okay, so I hope it is understood to both of you. So I am looking forward to your additions in the slideshow, and I hope you remember the deadline, that is tomorrow 5 p.m. So all the best and see you soon. And thank you for joining for this session.